Please don't skip. Just hold on. I promise this video is going to blow your mind. Just stay with me for a few minutes because I will show you how to create viral animated cat videos like you've seen on YouTube, and not with expensive tools, but with just one free tool. No ChatGPT, no Piclumen, no Hilo AI, no paid subscriptions, just one tool, CapCut, and it's completely free. I promise, this is real, working, and if you stay with me till the end, you will leave this video with your first viral animated short in your hand. Let's begin. Open YouTube right now. Type in the search bar, AI Cart Short. Go ahead, do it. Now look at this channel. Wow, wow, wow. Just look at these videos. All 3D Pixar-style super cute animated cat videos. Some are funny, some are emotional, and all of them are addictive. I'm talking 5 million views, 10 million views, 20 million, 30 million, even 40 million views per video. And this is not a fluke. These videos are short, under 60 seconds. They tell simple emotional stories, a lonely cat, a dog getting rescued, a friendship moment, and they're all animated. But the biggest shock? These are not made by some big animation studios or pros. These are made by creators just like you and me, using AI tools and smart strategies. The colors are bright, the characters are cute, and the stories. Emotional hooks every time. Kids love it, adults love it. YouTube Shorts algorithm loves it. And when people watch till the end, boom, it gets pushed again and again. It's the perfect recipe for viral growth. Imagine this, just one of your videos going viral like that could mean 10,000 plus subscribers overnight, and it's happening every day. Just one tool, one platform, CapCut. CapCut does everything inside: script writing voiceover, generation AI images animation subtitles, music video editing export in HD, ready for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. It's literally all in one, all built inside CapCut. This is not a gimmick, this is not a hack. It's real and it's free. You don't even need editing skills. CapCut's auto tools do the hard work for you. In short, this is not a tool. It's a complete animation factory. This is how AI Cart Short and many new creators are uploading 1-2 viral videos daily, because the process is simple, fast, and all in one place. So before we continue, please subscribe to my channel Skill Tech Studio. I'm showing you this technique for free. No clickbait, no fake trick. My goal is to help creators like you grow with real tools and real strategies. So hit that subscribe and let's continue the magic. Step 1. Launch the CapCut app. Once you open CapCut, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the AI Video Maker section. It's a brand new tool and very powerful. Tap it and you'll see 4 options. 1. Instant Video automatically generates a full video from your script. 2. AI Video Avatar. You can add a talking AI avatar. 3. Brainstorm AI coming soon. Will help with content ideas. 4. Match media to script. Adds visuals that match your script. We'll focus on the instant video feature. New Step 2. Click New Project. Once inside, click on New Project to begin. This will open a blank script interface where you can paste your ready-made script or use CapCut AI to write one for you. If you don't have a script, no problem. Just click on the AI-generated script button on the left panel. Step 3. Use CapCut AI to write your script. You'll now see 2 blank fields. Topic. This is the main idea. For example, cat comedy short. Key points. This tells AI what happens in the video. Example. A cat wins the lottery and buys a car, but a dog tries to steal it. The cat calls the police. Be creative. The more interesting your prompt, the better the script. Then choose the video length. For YouTube Shorts, 30 seconds to 1 minute is perfect. Click Generate and the AI will break the story into scenes, including narration plus actions. Step 4. Scene creation. Now that you have the script, it's time to bring it to life. For each script part, click Create Scene, then click Generate Media. You'll be asked to choose video ratio 9:16 for vertical, 16, 9 for YouTube, 1 for Instagram. Visual style, choose from O realistic film, O 3D, animated, O oil painting, O clay model, O cartoon, or retro styles. Apply the chosen style to all scenes. CapCut will now generate movie-like animated visuals, automatically matching your story. This takes 1-2 minutes depending on your internet and scene length. Step 5. Add AI voiceover. Go to the voiceover section. Here, you can choose from a wide range of AI voices, including male, female, dramatic, funny, childlike. Different accents: British, American, Indian, etc. Select a voice that fits your story's mood. Click Apply to all scenes so the narration plays across your whole video. No manual syncing. CapCut syncs the voice to the animation perfectly. Step 6. Add captions, subtitles. Now go to the Elements tab and select Captions. CapCut offers bold, minimalist, comic style, animated text. Pick the one that suits your video style. It will automatically sync with your script's voiceover. You can customize fonts, size, color, and position too. Step 7. Add background music. Navigate to the music section. Choose from hundreds of cinematic, funny, sad, upbeat, chill music tracks. All audio is royalty-free under CapCut's Pro plan, so you're safe to post on YouTube. You can adjust volume, add fade-in/fade out, layer sound effects like car honk, police siren, cat meow, etc. Step 8. Final video export. Once your visuals, audio, and captions are ready, it's time to export. Go to Export Settings and choose Resolution 1080p, 2K, or 4K. For best quality, select 2K+. Bitrate. High bitrate = sharper details. You can rename your video file here as well. Then click Export. The AI will compile your full video. This export will include HD visuals, voiceover music, text, captions, transitions. If added, optional step, basic editing. Once the video is exported, you can go to the main CapCut editor, if needed, and add a few scene transitions, fade, slide, zoom. Insert an intro/outro for branding. Add emojis or stickers from CapCut's free library. But honestly, the video is already 95% ready after AI generation. Final output. Congratulations! You've created a fully animated, voice-narrated, music-enhanced cat video using 100% AI tools inside CapCut. You didn't need stock footage, voice recording, script writing, editing software. Just your idea, and CapCut did the rest. Outro, YouTube-ready ending. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so you never miss future AI video hacks. In the next episode, we'll create a talking pet video using image plus voice plus lip sync AI, so stay tuned.